Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Wednesday, June the 9th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are with the market here today. So, SPX down 7 points here, but still green on the monthly chart. Weekly chart, a little bit red right here. McClellan oscillator still hanging in there, so just kind of just chopping around. We got this sideways pattern going on right here, right? Still above the 80 MA though, and the real question is now is like, okay, well, actually, this still looks like a possible wave 2 pullback like we talked about today. So, 1, 2, it looks like we're about at the 618. Let's take a look. So it could be bullish going in tomorrow. We had a pretty big MOC on the sell side right there. Yeah, we're right at the 618. So let's see if we actually bounce off of that going in tomorrow and keep this bullish count going, which would be pretty wild. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at SPY. Again, low volume today, just low volume stuff, guys. So think about it, low volume pullback, right? So let's see if we get to the 80 MA, right? So let's see if we get a move up on that one. Inside day on the S&P futures, let's take a look and see how things were looking here today, guys. This geometric line was so key today. Once we broke down there, it was over, right? Now we did get an intraday triangle, right? So we did have this type move right here, which we couldn't get above it, right? So we triangulated, chop, and then we finally broke down at the end of the day, which helped us out in the group, so that was nice. MES, so we lost the 15 orb and also the geometric line, right? So it's kind of a big deal with that one. As for the Qs, it doesn't matter if the TNX is down. They just kind of struggled here today. Ended up being below their 15 orb low. IWM, relative strength recently kind of did a little bit of intraday bear flag on that one. XLF ended up being right at the 15 orb low here today. VIX up 82 cents today. That showed some strength here, right? So pretty decent on the VIX right there. We're ended up climbing its way up, still below 20, but doing its thing. Apple. Not quite enough strength, just a really choppy, sloppy day today, so not much going on there. Tesla ended up below the signal zone here today, so a little bit of weakness there on Tesla. Bitcoin actually had a pretty good day today, nice little rally today, so let's see if that can continue to hold up right here. Again, it's right at the 80 MA as it bounced off the 200-day again, so it needs to get above that 80 MA with some volume. Let's see if we can get going. So far, not a lot of volume. AMC struggling, took the day down. GME earnings after hours. Did an offering too simultaneously and not giving any guidance. So it's hanging in there. It's actually flat. So maybe they're going to try to squeeze them out again. So we'll see how that goes here. But rough earnings report. They beat on earnings and or no, they missed on earnings, beat on revenue. So we'll see. We'll see what they have in store for it. It'd be cool to see some more squeezing. Clove. Guys, this is from the bubble report this morning. We saw some unusual put activity on this one. We pointed out, we showed the levels in the bubble report that we'd look to get short on, right? Nice reversal off of Clove today. PFE. Strong candle, right? Good volume, good news, right? That they're gonna, distribute, make deals and distribute more vaccines and all that stuff. And well, if you think that's good news. UPS, nasty pullback here today, but bounced off the 50-day moving average. FedEx, sympathy move, close under the 50-day moving average, but coming back and retesting a prior geometric line. DKNG, rough pullback here today. Below today's lows, maybe you can see the 200-day. We'll see. CCL, rough day today, but to the 80 MA. So let's see if that holds there. Also low volume. So anyway, guys, good stuff. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll review more charts tonight. And, of course, we'll take a look at some Tesla stuff for our series. And so we'll see you guys at 7:30. Till then, stay healthy out there. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.